Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're given the following interesting math problem from Harvard University text question. We're given that x plus y plus z is equal to 0. X squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 2 root 2. In this video, we're going to find the value for x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4. Interesting, right? From the given equation 1, we have x plus y plus z, which is equal to 0. Let us go ahead and square both sides of this equation. So squaring both sides at the left hand side, if you expand this, we get the following. We have x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2 into bracket, we have xy plus yz plus xz. So this is equal to 0 squared is giving us 0, right? So from here, we know the value of x squared plus y squared plus z squared, which is from equation 2 root 2. So here we replace using 2 root 2 and then plus 2 into bracket, we have xy plus yz plus xz. So this is equal to 0. Let's subtract 2 root 2 from both sides. We are left with 2 into bracket xy plus yz plus xz. So this is equal to 0 minus 2 root 2 is giving us negative 2 root 2. Next, let's divide both sides by 2. So from here, this both get cancelled. From here, this both get cancelled. So from here, we get the value of xy plus yz plus xz, which is equal to negative root of 2. Okay, from equation 1, once again, let's let's cube both sides, okay? So x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Let's cube both sides and see what happens next, okay? So from the left hand side, expanding this will give us x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed plus, so next we're going to have 6xyz, then plus 3, then into bracket, we have the following x squared y plus xy squared plus x squared z plus, we have y squared z plus, we have y z squared plus, and then we have x z squared. So this is equal to 0. Okay, so from here we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed plus 6xyz, and then plus 3, then into bracket. Now, x squared y plus xy squared plus x squared z plus y squared z plus yz squared plus xz squared is obtained from the product of x plus y plus z and xy plus yz plus xz. So if you find this product, you will have to subtract 3xyz in order to get what is in this bracket. From here, this is equal to 0. Now, don't be surprised that everything right over here is going to turn out to be 0. Why? Remember from the first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So here, this is equal to 0. Therefore, we're going to have in the bracket 0 times everything here is turned out to be 0. Then we're left with 0 minus 3xyz, right? So here we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed plus, so here we have 6xyz and then plus 3 into bracket. So in the bracket we'll have negative 3xyz z, right? So this is equal to 0. Okay, so from here now, so if you open up that bracket there, we have x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed plus 6xyz. So 3 times negative 3yz, 3xyz, I mean, is giving us negative 9xyz. So this is equal to 0. So from here we get x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed and then minus 3xyz. This is equal to 0. So add 3xyz to both sides, we get x cubed plus y cubed plus z cubed is equal to 3xyz. Nice. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Now let us think about squaring both sides of the second equation. Remember, we need the value for x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 4. What if we square x squared plus y squared plus z squared? So I think that is a very nice idea, right? So this is going to be equal to, remember, this is equal to 2 root 2, and don't forget we equally squaring both sides. If you expand this, we get x to the power of 4. Yes, so that is what we're exactly looking for, right? So here plus, so this is going to be 2 into bracket, so we have x squared, y squared, we have y squared, z squared, and we have x squared, z squared. This is giving us 8. 2 squared is 4, root 2 squared is 2, so 4 times 2 is 8. Then the problem here is, what is the value of x squared, y squared, plus y squared, z squared, plus x squared, z squared? Now let's think about expanding the following: xy plus yz plus xz. Let's use this idea because I think something like this is being squared to get something like this, right? So when you expand this, we get the following. We have x squared plus y squared. You see? Oh, I mean, sorry for that. X squared, y squared, z squared plus x squared, z squared. You see? And then plus 2 into brackets, we have x squared yz plus xy squared z plus xyz squared. So here we get xy plus yz plus xz squared. So this is equal to, this is x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus x squared z squared, right? Then plus 2 into bracket. Now this right over here is simply the product of x plus y plus z and xyz. You get the idea? Okay, so now we can make this the subject. By doing so, we get x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus x squared z squared is equal to the expansion xy plus yz plus xz squared minus 2 into bracket x plus y plus z multiplied by xyz. Don't be surprised, this again is equal to 0, right? So this is just 0. We just have this is equal to this, right? So here we substitute the value for xy plus yz plus xz, which is negative root of 2, right? So we get x squared y squared plus y squared z squared plus x squared z squared is equal to negative root 2 whole squared, which is giving us 2. Okay, that's cool. Now let us remember again that we already have that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 plus 2 into bracket this, which is equal to 2, right? So this is equal to 8. So here we get x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus z to the power 4 is equal to 8 minus. So 2 times 2 is 4. And this is giving us 4. And this right over here is our correct answer. Amazing, right? If you enjoyed the video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Also share this with your friends. Thank you for watching.